Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to see as how to make lip balm. This is one of the most easiest way. So let's get to the video. So guys, I'm ready to do the lip balm right now. So I have a bowl and now I'm going to take one bowl of bee wax. This is a white in color. You get in so many different colors. So I do not want colors, so I've taken white. That is again up to you. And then I have 2 tablespoons of shea butter. This is pure shea butter from Africa. When I was in Africa, I bought it, so you can use that too. When you go to the shop, they might not give you pure shea butter. That is again optional, or you can even use Vaseline if you do not have shea butter. Now with that, I'm going to add a couple of capsules of vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil is very good for your lips and your skin, so I'm going to use 2 capsules of it. Alright, so I'm getting ready of these 2 capsules. Alright, I've got 2 capsules right now. Now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to take this bee wax, I'm going to put it in a bowl. Next, I'm going to take the shea butter, I'm going to add it to it. Now I will also take the Vaseline. It is again, like I mentioned earlier, it is an optional for you. If you want, you can use it, or else you can just omit it. A very little Vaseline, say about less than a teaspoon of Vaseline. Now I have taken all these 3. Now we're going to melt it in double boiling. So I'm ready with the double boiling right now. So let it boil. Now it's melted very well. Now to this I'm going to be adding the vitamin E oil and the essential oil, whichever flavor that I want. I've added the 2 capsules. Give it a nice stir. Now I'm going to add essential oil, whichever flavor that you want. I have a couple of flavors here. I have orange as well as peppermint. My husband loves peppermint, so I'm going to use peppermint because he likes that pungent feeling on his lips. I'm doing this lip balm for him. So I'm going to add, say, about a tablespoon of peppermint oil so that it has a pungent flavor and it is very strong on the lips. Then I'm going to add a couple of drops of orange oil. I like the smell of orange oil, so I'm going to add a couple of drops of it. It's again optional. You can use whichever essential oil that you have. Now my lip balm is ready. Now it's ready to put up in the lip balm cases. I have these lip balm cases. These are already used ones, so I'm going to be using those to be filling into this. I've kept it in a plate because right now the lip balm is too hot, so I can't hold it in my hands, so I've kept it in a plate. So I'm pouring it into the lip balm cases. There you go. This is done. Now I'm going to keep them in the fridge for about 10 minutes. Now I'm pouring it in another container, a lip balm container, and this is for me. So right now I don't like plain, so I'm going to add some chocolate powder to it so that I could get a brown flavor and chocolatey flavor. Take a little bit of chocolate powder and start mixing it, and you have your chocolate lip balm ready. Doesn't it look tasty, guys? So guys, my lip balm is ready to use. So if you like my video, like and share and also subscribe, guys. Don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you get notification for the upcoming videos that I would post. So until then, take care, bye bye, stay safe and be beautiful.